With Crystal with the American Heart Association this morning, talking about National Women's Health Week. And really, this is the perfect time to talk about it. It all kind of starts with talking to your doctor as well.
Definitely. And the one thing we want women to pay close attention to is cardiovascular disease is the #1 killer of women in our country, more than all cancers combined. So it is important that you are doing those well women visits yearly and speaking with your doctor about your health risks and your risks for heart disease.
And making sure you have your appointments scheduled out too. That's really key.
Definitely. And one appointment is great, but of course we want you to keep following up, keep that conversation going because it's only going to help you and your health by visiting with your doctor.
Absolutely. Physical activity, also really, really important.
Oh, definitely. We do recommend about 150 minutes a week of moving. We say move more and getting out and getting that physical activity. And that sounds like a lot, 150 minutes, but if you break it up and just pick 5 days a week, that's just 30 minutes a day. Get outside, go for a walk, take the dog for a walk, play outside with your kids. It will do your heart a lot of good, but the rest of your body as well.
And Crystal, we always hear you are what you eat. That obviously goes along with your heart as well.
Definitely. You want to make sure you're putting in heart healthy foods, meals. You want to pay attention to what you're cooking and making sure that you are focusing on those recipes that include fruits, vegetables, lots of color. And you can go to heart.org and find lots of recipes for that so that you don't get bored with those. But again, that will help all of your body, not just your heart.
And speaking of that website is a fantastic resource for obviously those recipes. But what we're talking about today, all those good tips in case you didn't have your pen and paper jotting down all these notes.
Definitely. Just go to heart.org and type in women and you will find all kinds of tips. And it ranges from heart disease to stress to maternal health. We have all the resources you need and all the support groups as well if you are looking for that.
Well, wonderful. Crystal, thanks so much for coming on this morning.